Hi, what's going on guys? It's Kazuki again. So today I'd like to show you guys my new hand tools that I ordered. So I made a video about a year ago of this really cool made in USA stainless steel axe or hatchet. This is made by a company in Illinois called ESTWING. Be nice, huh? And I just moved to my new place. I've been buying a lot of furnitures and been doing a lot of DIY projects. I also have a few posters and pictures that I like to hang on the wall. So I figured I'll get a new tool to my collection. So here's the box here from Amazon. I ordered the mallet and a hammer. So I will show you guys the unboxing of it. This is the ESTWING axe. And I've been using this axe as a hammer, just the back side of the axe. But it's not meant to be used that way. So here's the mallet. Nice. Whoa, it's really cool. Looks, I don't know, looks kind of old. A little dirt, it's got a little dirt, but nice. They had a different color. The one I kind of debating was the one with the gray head, but I decided to get the black one. I think black looks better. I mean, gray would be cool too, but it'd be nice. Oh, it's really tight. Oh crap. Oh, there we go. Here's the hammer. Ooh, really greasy. Really nice, cool ESTWING. I believe this is a 16 ounce. I think this is the smallest hammer they have. There's a like 20 ounce, even like 20, 34. There's like a bigger ones too. I just wanted something really handy. Let's give it this mallet a try. Oh wow, it's really nice, really smooth. Well, let's try the other ones. Nice. And the last one, this one right here. See this? Wow, I don't need too much force. It's really easy. Nice. Alright. Looks cool. Alright, this is my Toyo steel toolbox. I also have this smaller version too. I don't do too much of like DIY project home, but in case I need anything, I have this little toolbox. The ESTWING mallet. I ended up ordering this one too with a gray head. I think this looks better than the black one. It's really cool. I can detect, you know, the walls and stuff. Also made in USA hammer, ESTWING. Really nice. I have this black head mullet too. I think I'll give it to my friend. This one is really cool too. I just prefer the gray color. Alright. Yeah, this looks really cool. It's quite heavy. And I also have this ESTWING hatchet and axe. Unfortunately, I haven't had too many chances to use this. Yeah, really cool hatchet and this axe. Once it's warmed up, maybe in summer, I want to do more like a barbecue, like outdoorsy stuff. Maybe I can chop some woods with this, the badass axe. Really cool. Alright, here's my cool toolbox. Here's my little cool toolbox. Also have this little utility bag from Duluth Pack, made in USA. Nice stuff. This is my little video of kind of showing off the little hand tools and toolboxes. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.